everyone. Today we are going to the post test with English kindergarten class. I'm Miss Devi and this is my student.
Safik.
Okay, hello Safik. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good.
Have you breakfast today? Yes.
Yes. I'm good. Have.
What did you eat for breakfast? Makan apa tadi?
Chicken.
Chicken. Okay. How old are you now?
I am 5 years old.
Okay. Where do you live?
Babakan.
Okay. Do you still remember this greeting song? Good.
Good morning. Selamat pagi. Good afternoon. Selamat siang. Good evening. Selamat malam. Good night. Selamat tidur.
Good job. Next. Could you tell me number in English?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Do you know sarapan in English is?
Breakfast.
Okay. Let's see this color. What color is this ice cream?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, ungu,
Pink,
brown, gray, black.
What is Papa in English?
Brother, father,
What is Mama in English?
mother,
What is kakak perempuan in English?
sister,
What is kakak laki-laki in English?
brother.
Okay, good job. Let's move to the alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, good job. What is your favorite food? Makanan
Chicken.
What is your favorite drink? Mineral? Susu? Teh? Or orange juice?
Orange juice.
Okay, how do you feel now? Happy or sad?
Happy.
Okay, if you want to come to my class, you have to say, may
I
come in?
come in?
Please.
Please.
Okay, this is
big.
This is
small.
This is long.
This is long.
This is short.
This is short.
This is fast.
This is fast.
This is long.
This is
Slow.
slow.
Okay, good job. Okay, everyone, that's all our posters today. Thanks for your attention. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.